How to delete your Golf Battle account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are gonna learn how you can easily delete your Golf Battle account using your Android or your iOS devices. Whether you are using mobile or tablets, here is an easy to follow tutorial. First of all, launch open Golf Battle game on your device, and once you're inside the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on the gear button. This will open up the options tab where you need to scroll all the way down and look for the delete account button. To delete your account, click on delete and go through the information first. Deleting your account will erase all of your account's data including access, all purchased and gained items, game progress and levels. For 7 days, you can cancel your request. After 7 days period is crossed, the process cannot be undone. If you want to delete your account permanently, click on Yes, delete my account permanently, and then you have 7 days to change your mind if you ever want to reverse the effect. So that is how your account will be deleted permanently for a Golf Battle. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned till then.